Today on OsoGrandeKnives.com we're looking at the Spyderco C12SBK2 Matriarch folding knife. It's got a VG10 Serrated Blade and black FRN handles. These handles are the same handles that you find on the extremely popular Spyderco Endura 4 model. They're lightweight FRN with bi-directional texturing on them, which gives a really good grip. There's also some jimping up here on the upper portion of the handle, which aids in your purchase, as well as a mid-lockback design with a David Boye detent, which makes it so that you can easily find that lock and close your knife even in the dark with your eyes closed. Pocket clip on this knife is 4-way adjustable. You can mount it for tip up, tip down, right, left. The choice is yours. It's fully ambidextrous. And the blade on this knife is made of premium VG10 stainless. It has the reverse S-shape grind, fully serrated. This thing will cut like there's no tomorrow. It's not designed to be a utility knife. It's designed to be a self-defense style knife, and it excels in pulling type of cuts. It cuts deep and ferocious. The overall length on it measures 8.31. Closed, it measures in at 4.88. The blade length is 3.63 inches. And it's got a 3.25 inch cutting edge. It opens and closes extremely nice thanks to the phosphor-bronze bushings here. There's absolutely zero blade play or blade wiggle, and it's completely ambidextrous. It's an ideal choice for both left-handed users and armed professionals who prefer support side carry on their knives. Modeled after the famous Spyderco civilian knife, but much more affordable. The hole diameter is 15/32 of an inch. The blade thickness measures in at 1/8 of an inch. The blade steel again is VG10 stainless. Black FRN handles. The weight is a light 3.6 ounces. Again, this is an excellent choice for a personal defense backup type of a knife. Buy it now at OsoGrandeKnives.com. We thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel.